Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate the simplicity and efficiency of integrating an additional PIERRE controller into the system. By adding a second PIERRE, we highlight how effortlessly the PIERRE ecosystem operates. Let's get started. To begin, we have mounted the second PIERRE unit and are now proceeding with the wiring. We connect its 12-volt power supply, followed by the GND connection, ensuring proper power distribution. The wiring is done in parallel with the first PIERRE unit, maintaining a structured and efficient setup. Once the physical connections are secured, we power up the system. At this stage, we verify that the power supply indicator lights are on, confirming that both PIERRE units are receiving power and are operational. With the hardware setup, we now move on to the software integration. Opening the PIERRE Partner app, we immediately see that the new PIERRE controller has been detected. By selecting it, we can assign and register it within the system. Upon selecting the new PIERRE, the unit begins flashing, indicating that it is ready for configuration. We assign it a name, Academy 2, for easy identification within our network. Next, we configure the network settings, choosing Ethernet connectivity while keeping the default IP settings unchanged. After confirming the setup, the system automatically synchronizes the new PIERRE with the existing ecosystem. The PIERRE indicator light turns red momentarily, signaling that it is retrieving and applying updates. Shortly after, the PIERRE turns green, both on the physical unit and within the app, confirming a successful integration. To finalize the process, we access the newly added PIERRE, at which point its indicator light switches to blue, indicating that it is actively being managed. At this stage, both PIERRE units are now fully operational and working in perfect sync. With this setup, we have successfully integrated a second PIERRE unit, showcasing how seamlessly multiple controllers work together within the PIERRE ecosystem. Thank you for joining us at PIERRE Academy. See you in the next video.